Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst, and I welcome you to the episode 3 of Traders Underground. This is a place where we talk to our clients and the people that we have mentored about how their journey in the stock market started and how are things today as we speak. So, we have today in the episode 3 Bhavesh Gupta. So, Bhavesh, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Okay. So, Bhavesh, very good to see you as always. Tell the viewers a little bit about yourself. Uh,
Uh,
yeah.
so, sir, this is Bhavesh here. Okay, I'm from basically from Chennai, and I'm pursuing my CA final, and I have a firm here for IDT consultant here. So, from the financial, like we are from the we have a
Finance.
firm CA course, hai, so definitely we have some interest towards the financial markets. So that is why we are into the markets as well.
Okay, perfect. So you how old are you right now?
I'm 24, sir.
24, and you're giving your C exams right now.
Yes, yes.
So how is it? Because I believe the chartered accountancy exams are very difficult. And how do you manage between the markets and studying?
सर सुबह सुबह मार्केट है रात को फिर पढ़ना है वही सर.
So you are basically full day, putting in finance field, no social life.
अरे
Okay, okay, good. No, no, very good. Yeah, I love the dedication that you have. So, tell us a little bit, how did you find us? Did you take any other courses before us? And so how did you enter the markets? That's what I want to know.
yes
Uh,
sir.
when did your journey start?
Sir, if you talk about investor, I was investor from 2018, but talking about trading, I started getting into the options from 23rd December 2020, very recently.
Okay,
Within a month of time, I lost, like I blowed my account.
okay,
So I came across your YouTube video where you used to discuss about the data and what is your plan for the next day. So I made up my mind, I'm going to join this. Let's give it a try. That time, okay, for the Bowl project, at least I'll join. So the thing was, slowly I did join the Volt project when I recovered some of my capital. And once I think within 1 week, I recovered a good chunk of my capital, and within 1 week I joined the architect as well. See, what I feel what clients do in the market is, they try to, I would not say gambling, rather they are, without the right knowledge, they are entering into something called lottery. They are buying lottery because you
right,
are against, because they are, we, I think most of us will be, we are in this, we have been in situation, or people are still in the situation where without the right knowledge they enter into stock options or
okay,
index, and they blow up their account because big players, yeah, they have more knowledge and they have more experience. जितना हमारा एज है उतना their experience है उनका. So we blow up our account simply because of that. So it's not gambling, I would say it's lottery, where you have only 2% chance of winning in a long run.
that's very well. People don't understand that, and I think
Mm-hmm.
90%, 99% people blow up their account because they think it's very easy. They see screenshots on different social media platforms, and they fall for that. So something I picked up from what you were saying. So you joined the Bold project first, and you recovered majority of your capital from that. So was the Bold project very helpful? So what was different in the Bold project? Because that's recorded videos, you get not much of a support that you get, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm very astonished to see that you did that.
Yes, sir. Bold project, you get the basics right. You get, you can also back test. You have a recorded session, so you can go through two times, unless and until you are like pretty comfortable. And you had doubt clearing session as well back then. And YouTube may you used to post analysis as well. So that really helped me in the markets. Yeah,
Okay.
if you're starting, anybody is starting a bold project, at least join that first. You'll get to know doubt clearing sessions. You'll know co-traders as well, how they are performing, how they are analyzing things, and you'll be a better trader for sure.
Understood. So you did well in the Bold project, and then you upgraded yourself with the Architect. So when did you join Architect?
On 16 January 2020, 2021.
Okay, so you joined us in 16 Jan. So it's been about 3 months exactly now. How have things been? So the mistakes that you have been making back then, do you think you're repeating them, or is your trading style improved now?
So it's definitely has improved a lot, sir. Starting mein, so we make do some losses, but the thing was, you should know how to cut your losses and sit on the winning trades. So yes, sir. The best thing about the TFA is that to be successful in the market, technical analysis is only going to help you 50%. What you need to have in a market is a right knowledge, experience, discipline, and patience level, and the mindset when you're in a trade, maybe winning or losing. So how TFA has helped me is, we have something called, trading ring, where some of the finest traders are there, and sometimes we get lucky that even mentors come in and they try to teach during the live market. So that is really adding to my experience level, and that is something really amazing that we have in TFA.
Right. So I'd suggest, just for the people who are new, Trading Ring is a community on our Discord server where it's a voice channel, and a lot of people come during the live market, give their 2 cents about markets, give their own trades. That's where we also come in, and this is one place where you can learn what you can test what you learned in the programs. So I mentored you personally back in January. So I just want to ask you something, for the viewers, because everyone's always concerned about that. So we at TFA always promise a lifetime support. So would you say that your support stopped after trading? When did your how long did it take for your mentorship with me to complete? That is the first question I
So,
would like to ask.
mm, my course started, January, May, it got started. And I don't think it has ended ever. Like, we are every day, you come, I know, I call you at times, and you teach us every day during the live market also you come. So I don't think so it has ended. It's a definitely a lifetime support. Every day we are learning some new things, and we are growing mentally and physically.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for that. So this is one thing that we always offer at TFA, and I hope this continues. The reason we have a community is because people become lonely in markets and they need someone to talk to. So I hope that is also helping you out. And
Yes, sir.
it's always good to see you very active. And how are the doubt sessions being? So we try to do doubt sessions for the architect family every week, and on different topics. Has that been helping you out?
Yes, sir. It's very important because at times you actually learn from other mistakes more than you do from your own. So
Yeah.
I feel ki when other people do some mistake, and in future when I come across similar situation, I always try to relate and get out the losing trade as soon as possible and sitting on a winning trade and stuff. So all those things really help. Doubt clearing session, it is a motivation that someone is watching you. You're actually tracking our performance, how we are doing, and you change the style of trading if you're going wrong. So doubt clearing session every week, it's something really amazing that TFA mentors are doing.
Perfect, perfect. So let's shift our focus now. Let's come back to your trading. How much did you start when you started on your mentorship? How much was the capital that you started with? If you want to share that
When
now.
I started my mentorship, it was 50K.
Okay,
Options may I put in around 50K.
50K. And how has the performance
Yes, sir.
been? How has the performance been since then, in the last two
I
months?
think I have, like, in 2 months I have almost doubled, more than double, sir. Every Tuesday I'm sitting on trade, so I'll think it is going to triple by Tuesday. So let's see. Let's hope for that.
So you are sitting on calls. Everyone should know
Yes, sir.
SGX Nifty up 300 points, Dow up all at all-time highs. So Bhavesh is sitting in good hope. So you are expecting your 50K to become 1.5 triple
I'm
since the 2 months that you have been under us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
that
definitely.
is that is something I feel very extraordinary. The reason why I wanted to speak with you, why I wanted the viewers to go through this video, is because it's all about consistency, and it's all about being harmonious with the stocks that you trade. And the thing about Bhavesh is so what's your stocks like? I think you don't shift your focus to other stocks. You always focus, wait for an opportunity, and only enter in the same stocks again and again. Can you talk about that a little bit?
I have certain stocks, sir. It is very important. There are so many stocks in the Indian market that you can't focus everything. So I have certain selective stocks. Like, I am very much interested in IT. In IT, I have like Wipro, Infosys. I have Axis, ICI. I have Cipla as well. So these are the selective stocks that I know where everything is, and I know the behavior of this stock. So I have mastered that. 2 months, 3 months, I have only traded all those stocks mostly. So that is really helpful. I know the levels. I know what is the entry exit point that I should take. So that's something you guys should be looking for as well.
Perfect. So one thing I like to take out of what Bhavesh said is, see, there are 2000 plus stocks in India. What people do is they keep on hovering between different stocks and finding the right opportunity, and that leads you to not getting an opportunity because your mind is never focused. So if you can focus on particular sectors, particular stocks, you'll know the way they move, you'll be harmonious with them, you'll get the good vibrations, and I think you can make some money out of them. So talking about the trading style, what is your, I would say, setup like? I mean, what are you using right now?
Actually, sir, since I have been into the trade, I don't focus much on chart. I only focus on what other things are doing. Like IT, I said ki I'm interested in IT, so I should know when dollar is breaking out, or how Nasdaq is performing, how Dow Jones is performing, how the global markets are. So I plan my trade based on that, because technical, yeah, everybody now, most of the clients now in TFA, they know technical तो हम लोग का हो ही जाता है, but other things that is helping is the what the big players are doing. Try to get into their heads ki if, as you know, agar dollar strong ho raha hai, so definitely IT is going to boom. So pick up a stock and go enter. That's the only setup that I
Yeah, I
do.
think that's something we always push in our community. So a lot of people, I feel, now focus on charts. They have screens out there, and they're full time focused on that. I'm not saying that's not a right approach, but when the people are starting out, they want so many screens that their focus is never there. And what you said is quite true. If you know your trade is going to work, I would say money is made by waiting and not by trading. You come into a right trade, wait it out, focus on the other things that are going on in the economy, and things could work out. Things could work out. I think I really liked what you said. Okay,
Yes.
so wonderful to talk to you. Any advice that you want to give to the traders? You've been very consistent, and you've
Mhm.
seen your bad days before you joined us. I hope you're not making those mistakes again. Any advice you want to give your fellow traders on consistency?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. Because see, I was there once, and I know how life is going to be. It's going to ruin you. Not just financial market. Anything that you do, you're going to be upset. You'll be frustrated in whatever you're doing. So my advice would be, don't chase the market. Your capital is much more important than your opportunities. Don't have this fear of missing out, yeah, and then regret losing your capital. That's the one thing. Always have a logical entry and an exit point. Second thing, try to understand this. Those are big players. You are not into gambling, because here you don't have chance of 50-50. You have, I think, 1 or 2 or less than that percent of winning. So yeah, come to the market only if you have the right knowledge, only if you have the right discipline and patience.
Perfect,
Otherwise, don't
perfect.
enter.
So what, one last to conclude the session, clients, people like us, the retailers, we have very few chances to win in this market. The big players out there always there to trap us, and we don't have access to a lot of information, which is something that people do not understand. And as you said, technicals are not everything. I think I learned a lot from this video with you. So thank you so much, Bhavesh, and I hope to connect with you in future again. All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.